The Amazon rainforest is located in South America. It covers parts of 8 countries, but more than half of it lies in Brazil. The area of the Amazon is about 5.5 million square kilometers. This is almost a quarter of the entire continent of Africa. There are over 40,000 different kinds of plants in the Amazon rain. That's 1/10 of all plant species on Earth. About 1,300 of these plants are in danger of extinction. For example, the Brazilian pepper tree. Its branches have thorns, and its leaves can grow up to 20 meters long. The tree has small flowers that look like stars. Another amazing tree in the Amazon is the pain tree. It grows up to 30 meters high. The diameter of its trunk is sometimes 3 meters. The tree has buttresses that support its huge crown. The pain tree is very important for the indigenous people. They use its wood for canoes and houses. They also use its bark for medicine. There are lots of other interesting plants in the Amazon. For example, the world's biggest flower. Its diameter reaches 1 meter. Unfortunately, this flower doesn't smell very nice. It stinks like dirty socks. There's also the bromeliad, a beautiful plant with colorful leaves. Its name comes from the Greek word for sweet. The plant really is sweet. Its leaves have tiny glands that secrete sugary nectar. The nectar drips down the leaves and creates small pools. These pools look like jewels. That's why the plant got its name. Another funny plant is the corpse flower. It looks like a big, ugly mushroom. It stinks like rotting meat, but this smell attracts beetles that pollinate the plant. So the corpse flower needs to stink. There are over 80,000 kinds of animals in the Amazon rainforest. About 12,000 of them live in the river. The most famous resident of the Amazon is, of course, the Amazon River dolphin. It has a very long beak and a rounded forehead. The dolphin uses its beak to catch prey. It feeds on fish, shrimps, and crabs. It can also change its sex. Yes, males can become females if the group of female dolphins is small. It happens when a female stops producing offspring. Her hormones change and her body starts changing into a male. Then he can breed with the remaining females. Another weird animal is the leaf mimic. It's a kind of beetle that looks like a leaf. It has wings, legs, and antennae, but they're all hidden under its shell. If you see this insect from above, you'll think it's just a leaf, and if you touch it, you'll feel its hard shell. The leaf mimic uses this trick to protect itself from predators. Then there's the bullet ant. It's one of the most dangerous insects in the world. A bullet ant's sting is so painful that it feels like being shot at. No wonder the insect got its name. So the Amazon rainforest is a dangerous place. There are about 200 venomous snakes per square kilometer. Some of them are huge. For example, the green anaconda. It can reach 6 meters in length and 135 kilograms in weight. The anaconda doesn't have any enemies. It's the apex predator of the rainforest. But the Amazon isn't only dangerous, it's also very beautiful. The canopy of the Amazon rainforest is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. The canopy is the top layer of the rainforest formed by the branches of trees. It's hard to get there because there are so many trees and they're so tall. But if you manage to get there, you'll see something amazing. The canopy is full of various animals. You can see monkeys, birds, butterflies, beetles, spiders, and other insects. All of them are busy searching for food or building their homes. From the canopy, you can see how the sunlight penetrates the leaves and creates colorful spots on the ground. You can also hear the sounds of the rainforest, the singing of birds, the buzzing of insects, the roaring of animals. It's a real symphony of nature. The world's biggest tropical rainforest hides many secrets, and it is home to more than half of all the known animal species on Earth. However, there are also plenty of things that we don't know about, and many areas that remain unexplored. What secrets does the Amazon rainforest hide? Will we ever discover them? Undiscovered craters. There are so many different kinds of animals living in the Amazon rainforest. From monkeys and macaws to snakes and spiders, there's an incredible variety of wildlife here. And while we've managed to identify and categorize most of these creatures, there are still plenty of undiscovered animals lurking in the shadows. In fact, scientists estimate that there could be as many as 2 million different types of animals in the Amazon rainforest that we haven't even discovered yet. The mysterious tribes. The Amazon rainforest is also home to a number of mysterious tribes who have managed to evade contact with the outside world for centuries. These tribes are incredibly elusive and experts know very little about them. Some of these tribes are believed to number in the thousands, while others may only have a few dozen members. We don't even know the names of some of these tribes, or even if they are still out there. There are also reports of tribes who live deep within the Amazon rainforest that have never before seen a white person. It's possible that these tribes have been living in the rainforest for generations, untouched by modern society. Deadly animals. Of course, not all animals in the Amazon rainforest are friendly. In fact, there are a number of deadly creatures lurking in the shadows. One of the most venomous creatures in the world, the Brazilian wandering spider, can be found in the Amazon rainforest. These spiders are known to hunt down their prey, and their venom is incredibly deadly. Another dangerous creature is the green anaconda, which is one of the largest snakes in the world. These massive snakes are perfectly adapted for life in the rainforest, and they are able to prey on a variety of animals, including humans. The strange sound. There are also a number of strange sounds that can be heard in the Amazon rainforest. From the roar of the jaguar to the screech of the macaw, there's no shortage of noise in this jungle. But perhaps the most mysterious sound of all is the laughter of the shaman. Shamans are spiritual leaders in many indigenous cultures, and they are known to use a variety of techniques to alter their states of consciousness. When they laugh, it is said to be a sign that they are connecting with the spiritual world. Hidden rivers and waterfalls. The Amazon rainforest is home to a number of hidden rivers and waterfalls. These hidden gems are often tucked away in the most remote parts of the rainforest, but they are definitely worth seeking out. One of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, the Iguazu Falls, can be found on the border between Brazil and Argentina. The falls are truly breathtaking, and they are a must-see for anyone traveling to the area. Hidden dangers. While the Amazon rainforest is home to a lot of beauty, it also hides a lot of danger. From deadly animals to poisonous plants, there are a lot of things that can harm you if you're not careful. That's why it's important to be aware of your surroundings at all times when you read in the rainforest. Even the ground you walk on can be dangerous, as there are many hidden holes that can lead to deadly drops. Amazon legends and myths. The Amazon rainforest is also home to a number of legends and myths. From ancient tales of the jungle people to stories of lost explorers, there's no shortage of spooky tales in this part of the world. One of the most famous legends is the story of the Green Man. The Green Man is said to be a spirit that lives in the trees, and he is often seen by those who enter the rainforest. Amazon rainforest vs. climate change. The Amazon rainforest is under threat from climate change. As the climate changes, the amount of rainfall in the Amazon rainforest has decreased, which has led to more frequent and severe droughts. This has caused many of the trees in the rainforest to die, and it has also led to more fires. If climate change continues, it is likely that the Amazon rainforest will